When you are connected with the constant, flowing, divine feminine energy within, you start radiating that energy of luck, which makes you and anybody you are around extremely lucky. This state of awareness removes the friction of daily life, allowing opportunities to gravitate toward you rather than you having to hunt them down. Through this guided meditation, if you are a man, you will be drawing more of that lucky feminine energy into your life. And if you are a woman, you will be able to fully access and embody it. Moving from a state of force to a state of flow allows the universe to meet you exactly where you are. If you love rare and powerful guided meditations like this, download the Enhanced Guided Meditation app and unlock the whole collection of exclusive sessions. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Allow your eyes to close gently. Good. And let your hands rest wherever they feel most natural. Focus on the flow of each inhale and exhale. Notice the weight of your body as it settles into the surface beneath you. Feel the subtle rhythm of your heart and the gentle expansion of your chest. Let your jaw soften and just release any tightness held in the corners of your eyes. Give yourself permission to simply exist in this space without any immediate goals. Yes. Now, as you settle, notice how much of your daily life is usually spent reaching, deciding, and pushing. Observe the mental energy you use to lean into the future, trying to secure a specific outcome. Ask yourself very specifically, what are you trying to make happen right now, even subtly? What are you waiting to feel before you allow yourself to truly relax? Gently interrupt that pattern of effort and leaning. Explore what it feels like to stop reaching entirely, even for a single moment. What happens if nothing needs to happen for the next few minutes? What changes in your internal environment when you are no longer trying to move toward anything? This is the first doorway into the feminine energy of luck. It is not merely softness, it is a profound, non-chasing awareness. Yes. Now explore the idea that instead of you moving toward life, something in life could begin moving toward you. Have you ever experienced something coming to you at the perfect moment without any force? Locate a specific memory of a time when luck or synchronicity found you. What was different about your internal state in that exact moment? In that moment, were you tense and rigid, or were you open? Were you trying to control the outcome, or were you allowing it to unfold? Notice the pattern of receptivity you already know how to access. When you stop trying to control what happens next, what happens to your breathing? Does your body hold on to its borders, or does it open slightly to the environment? If your body could receive this moment instead of reacting to it, where would that opening begin? Yes. Now bring to mind a normal situation in your current life where you usually feel the need to control, push, or figure things out. How do you usually show up physically and mentally in this situation? What are you trying to manage, predict, or force when you are in that space? See your default pattern of doing with total clarity and without judgment. If you entered this same situation without trying to control the outcome, what would change first? What specific actions or thoughts would you stop doing? What would you allow to happen instead of trying to prevent it? What would you trust to unfold without your constant interference? Imagine interacting with someone from this state of grounded, lucky ease. When you are not trying to prove, impress, or control, how do people tend to respond to your presence? What changes in the way they speak, listen, or engage with you? Have you noticed, perhaps, that when you are at ease, others become more open and generous around you? Consider that the luck you experience is partly created by how people respond to your magnetic presence. Who are you when you are no longer chasing outcomes? What kind of person naturally attracts the right timing, the right conversations, and the right opportunities? How close are you to that version of yourself in this very moment? Notice what feels easier in your mind and body right now. What feels less forced as you sit or lie down? What feels like it is unfolding naturally instead of being pushed into existence? Is there a quiet sense that things do not need to be controlled as much as you once thought? Luck is not a random accident. It is the natural result of removing internal friction. Yes. Now truly realize, that you are becoming a magnet for effortless results. I release the need to force my reality into place. I am a magnet for the right opportunities at the right time. My internal ease creates the space for luck to find me. I trust the unfolding of my life without the need for interference. I radiate a presence that invites abundance and synchronicity. I am worthy of receiving great things without constant struggle. I am connected to the flowing current of divine feminine luck. Begin to bring your awareness back to your physical form. Feel the sensation of your clothes against your skin and the floor beneath you. Take a deep, nourishing breath, feeling the energy circulate through your limbs. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes to ground yourself in the room. Later today, where might you notice yourself slipping back into the habit of control? And when you do, how quickly can you return to this state of allowing? Carry this sense of lucky receptivity with you as you move back into the world. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. What would it look like if luck was not something you waited for, but something that naturally appears when you stop interfering?